Okay, very good morning. I hope you can see my presentation. Can you see this, boys and girls?
Yes,
Respond?
teacher.
Yes.
Yes,
All
teacher.
right. Okay,
Yes,
very good.
teacher.
Okay, so we continue with this. Okay, today is Monday, 25th of October, right? We are going to discuss second part, that is the paper 2 for length, mass, and volume of liquid. Right. So first of all, please turn your activity book to. We are going to discuss your answer from page 20 to page 23. Now, altogether, the total marks is 22 marks. Okay, later maybe you can show teacher or you just write at the chat there after the correction, how many points or how many marks you can get out of total 22 marks. Okay, altogether 22 marks here. Okay, without wasting any time, we go the first question here. Now, page 20, look at question number 1. Right, this is a diagram showing the length of the pencil. Okay, before we do the calculation, okay,
Morning.
can you tell teacher, right? What is your answer first? Anyone can tell me what is your answer?
10.5 centimeter.
10.5 centimeter. Why it is not 11.5
Hi, Kak.
centimeter?
Yeah.
Why is not 11.5 centimeter? Because the last point here is 11.5, right? Why it is not 11.5?
Because the zero is not counted.
Zero is not counted. Yes, it's actually the last, okay, the last part of pencil here start from 1. Okay, it's not start from 0. If you start from 0, then yes, the length of the pencil is 11.5. But since, all right, it is not starting from 0, it's starting from 1. All you need to do is 11.5, you need to minus 1. 11.5, when you minus 1, your answer will be, okay, hold on. Okay, we're using a pen first. So it is actually 10.5 cm. Okay, they want the answer in cm, so your answer will be in cm. If you write this, okay, you will get 1 mark. Then after that, B. Okay, tick. Okay, tick the lightest mass. Okay, you compare all these, okay, in different writing. Okay, this is in gram, this is in kilogram and gram, and this is in kilogram. So how you compare? You have to compare, then you find the lightest mass. Okay, anyone can tell me what is your answer first before we do the correction? Which box, okay, which one is the lightest? The one in the left hand side, or middle one, or the right hand side?
Middle.
Middle. Okay, so how you get this middle one? Okay, first of all, if you see first box here is 1,200 gram. Okay, I will change all this into gram and gram. Okay, so this you know already. 1 kilogram is 1,000. So 1,000 plus 12 is 1,012 gram. And here, if you want to convert into kilogram to gram, all you need to do is shift the decimal point 3 times to the back. 1, 2, 3. So add 1 0 here. This is 1,020 gram. Then you start to compare. 1,200 gram, 1,012 gram, 1,020 gram. Okay, so which is the lightest? So definitely the answer is 1,012 gram. So if you take this, okay, you get 1 mark. Without any calculation also, without showing a working steps also, if you take this, okay, we consider correct. Maybe, okay, like maybe you are very good. Like for me, I don't have to show this. I know already this is the lightest because I can read, I can see it Okay, I can view it, okay, in my mind. So that's why no need any calculation also. You will get correct. Unless you main tembak lah. If you tembak this one or you tembak this one without calculation, then you get wrong lah. All right. So we proceed to question number 2. Okay, look at question number 2 here. What is the question asking? A hawker, right, makes 250 ml of, okay, lemonade by using 20 gram of sugar. Okay, so this is a question, proportion question here. Calculate, okay, the sugar needed to make 1.5 liter of lemonade with the same, okay, concentration. So you see from here, if teacher, how teacher do it, all right, teacher will put here, if I use 200, sorry, okay, if I put here 250 ml, okay, I use how many gram of sugar? 20 gram. Okay, 20 gram of sugar I need. So if I need to make 1.5 liter of the lemonade, so what is the amount of sugar in mass that I need? Okay, so what should I do? First of all, you see this ml and liter, it is not the same. So change this 1 liter into ml. If I were you, I would change this one. Okay, you know already, half liter is 500 ml. Okay, so this 1 liter is 1,000. So it will become 1,500 ml. All right, is equals to, okay, how many sugar, amount of sugar you need here? So first of all, you look at here. If I were you, okay, from 250 times what? I will get 1,500. You can see here, all right? 250 is 500. 250 is 500 again, so 1,000. 250 and 250 is another 500. 500, so it's 1,500. So I know there are how many 250 inside here? 1,500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know that if I use 250 times 6, I know I will get here 1,500 ml. So if you want to know how much of sugar that you need, so all you need to do, okay, make it equivalent times 6. All right. So use 20 gram times 6, right? 6 times 0 is 0. 6 times 2 is 12. So this is equals to 120 gram. But, okay, do not leave your answer in this form because they ask you calculate the mass in kilogram. In kilogram means that after you get this answer, the sugar, amount of sugar in gram, all right, 120 gram, I need to convert it into kilogram. Okay, 120 gram, if I divide by 1,000, okay, 30, I just shift decimal point 1, 2, and 3. So I will get here 0.12 kilogram. Okay, 0.12 kilogram. So if you know that, okay, get this 20 times 6, okay, you get 1 mark. If you leave your answer in 120 gram, your answer is correct here, you only get 2nd mark. But you don't have the last point yet. Until you get your answer, you give your answer in kilogram, then all you get total is 3 marks here. Okay, next, we continue. Question number 3. Okay, look at question number 3 here. This is diagram 2 shows the mass of 4 papayas here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can stay, look at the weighting scale up there. There are 4 papayas, and the weighting scale showing, the pointer is showing here. Right. A, state the mass in kilogram of the papayas. So means that all the papayas, okay, you look at this is kilogram, okay, weighing scale in kilogram. They want you to state the mass in kilogram also for all the 4 papayas here. So you can see this is 1, this is 2. So it means that these 4 papayas is around 1 to 2 kg. Okay, more than 1 but less than 2 kg. You look at the pointer here. After 1, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So here is 8. So I know already definitely this is equals to, okay, what is the mass of the
1.8 kg.
Yes, it is equals to 1.8 kg. Very simple only, 1 mark from here, right? So this is your answer for A, 1.8 kg. You write here also can, you write in here also can, no problem. Okay, now B, a box contains 10.5 kg of papayas, okay, in one box, okay, you imagine in one box contents of 10.5 kg of papayas, then all the papayas in diagram 2, okay, these remaining papayas are put into the box. Okay, originally there is a box with papaya and the weight is the mass is 10.5 kg. Now you put this papaya, these 4 papayas put into the box again. Calculate the total mass. So total mass in kilogram, the papayas in the box now. What does it mean? What operation you need to use to settle this problem?
Plus.
Plus, very good. So what you do is, okay, you're going to use 10.5 kg, all right, plus 1.8 kg. Okay, you add on these 4 papayas in. Originally in the box, you have 10.5 already. So you add another 4 more papayas in. The weight is, the mass is 1.8. So this is in kilogram. Okay, 5 plus 8 is 13, right? So put 1 up here. 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 is here 1. So the total mass now in the box will be 12.3 kilogram. Okay, so far, okay? Are you okay with me?
Okay.
Yes.
Right, very good. So we proceed. Question number 4. Oh, hold on, jam again. Okay, let's look at it. Okay, question number 4 here. Okay, can you see the slide?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
now question number 4. Have a look at it. This is diagram 3 shows here the length of a roll of wire here. You can see from here the wire measurement is 305 cm. 305 cm. Okay, now look at A. What is the length in meter of the wire? Means that they ask you to convert from cm, change into meter only. That's all. You will get this 1 mark. Okay, so this is 305 cm, or maybe did you see, teacher, this is not right, the 0 is not written properly. Okay, this is 0 like this. Okay, right, is equal to how many meter? Anyone can tell me cm, if I convert to meter, what should I do? What should I do?
Divide 100.
Very good. Okay, divide by 100. So I would straight away put here divide 100. Why? Easy for me to see. How many 0 here? 100, there's 2 0. So I just shift the decimal point 1 and 2 in front. So I will get my answer. That is 3.05 meter. Okay, 1 mark automatically here. Without showing any working step, if you can straight away give me 3.05 meter, also I will let you get the 1 point. Okay, now B. What is the question here? Sammy cuts the wire into two parts, X and Y. Okay, the length of the wire Y is 40% of the original length of the wire. Calculate, so the length of the wire X, okay, X, there are two parts, X and Y, Y and X, okay, X and Y and X. Okay, the X is 40% of the original length of the wire. Calculate the length of the wire Y. Okay, now you look at here. We do it somewhere here. Maybe you can do it here. Okay, if they say 40%, okay, is the length of wire X. Okay, if I want to find the length of wire Y, it is not 40%. Wire Y altogether, it will be 100%. Tell me, wire Y, how many percent here?
60%.
Very good, 60%. Because you add up, you get 100%. That is the original length of the wire. So if you want to find the length of wire Y, you are not using 40% to look for the answer. You are using 60% because 60% is wire Y. All right. So what I can do, this is maybe here is not enough space. I do it here. So what you can do, and then you have to count, you have to see. If I were you, okay, they want the answer in meter. All right. So you have already convert this is into meter already. You can straight away use 60%, okay, times original length, that is 3.05 meter. So change your 60% into fraction, that is 60 over 100, okay, times 3.05 meter. Okay, so you can see from here how you do it. If I were you, okay, don't cancel this 0 with 0 here, because this 0, in between you have number. In front you have number, at the back of number, you cannot simply cancel this 0 with the 0 here. But you can cancel the first 0 of 6 here, 60. You can cut this 1 0 with 1 0 here. Okay, then after that, okay, if you don't do cancellation also, never mind. All you need to do is, I can use this 6, right? Multiply with this 3.05 first, then only I divide by 10. Okay, do it now. I'll do 3.05 meter times 6, right? Times 6, 5 is 30. 600 plus 3 is 3. 3 is 18. So you have, after you multiply, you have 18.3 meter. But don't forget, do not leave your answer like that, because you have to divide 10 again. Okay, after you multiply by 6, you have to divide by 10. So if you divide by 10, what you need to do is you have to shift the decimal point. Tell me, you are going to move the decimal point to the back or in the front when you divide?
Front.
Go in front. Okay, how many times?
1.
1 time. All right, so move this to 1 time in front. So your answer will be 1.83 meter. Okay, done. 3 marks from here. If you know, okay, you are using 60% times this, here you will get 1 mark. After you do the calculation here, you know already, multiply 6 and divide by 10, you get the second mark. And if your answer is correct, so you get the third mark here. So this is all 1, 2, 3 marks, okay? How you get the 3 marks from this question. Okay, next, question number 5. Okay, is getting more complicated. Question number 5 and number 6, then maybe we take a longer time to do it. I hope we can finish on time, right? If not, maybe we can cut off a few hands-on activity. Okay, question number 5 here. Look at here. Diagram 4.1 here shows a mass of several mangoes here. Okay, this is mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see there's 5 mangoes here. Okay, the weighing scale show here is 1 point something. Okay, 1 point, I don't know how much. It is more than 1 kilo and less than 2 kilo. All right, but okay, the question said state in mass. Okay, the mass in gram. Okay, now this time they want it in gram. Okay, the mass of the mangosteen, no mangosteen, mangoes, but the weighing scale here is in kilogram. Okay, now first of all, you need to read properly. You have to know how to read this weighing scale properly. Okay, if you are coming from 1, okay, you see how teacher move. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, and 4 times. Means that from 1 kilogram to 2 kilograms, you divide by 4 parts. So if you divide by 4 parts, you know already 1 to 2, if you convert into kilogram, from kilogram to gram, okay, is 1,000 kilogram to 2,000 kilogram, okay. You have to jump 1,000, correct or not? You have to plus 1,000. But if you want to jump, okay, for example, there's only 4, okay, 4 point here, okay, pointer here. So if I put here 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, each jump equals to how many gram? Anyone can tell me? That is 1,000 divided by 4. 1,000 divided by 4. 4 parts only. So 4 times 2 is 8. Remain 2. Bring 0 down. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 0 is 0. So I know already every time I jump is 250 gram. Okay, 250 gram. So if here 1, going here will be 250 gram. If I go here is 500 gram. If I'm going here, this is 750 gram. If I go back here 1,000, so automatically it will change to 2 kilogram. So tell me, now the pointer of the weighing scale here, okay, showing that equals to how many gram? Boys and girls, how many gram here, pointer here?
1,250 gram.
Yes, this is 1,000 plus 250. So altogether is 1,250 gram. Okay, this is 1 mark. Next, B. 1, Jaima uses, okay, now, maybe you will see then, when you do this question, maybe you have problem. If you notice that, okay, in Malay, this is 0.5 liter. In English, okay, version, in BI version, this is 0.3 liter. Okay, can you help me to change this 0.3 to 0.5? Because only 0.5 you will get the answer. If you put 0.3, you will not get the answer. All right, so I don't know how many of you notice this. So if you cannot get this correct, maybe it's a bonus for you lah. Okay, change this one, 0.3 vinegar, 0.3 liter of vinegar, change to 0.5 first. Okay, maybe typing error. That's why sometimes you have to compare also. If you cannot get the actual answer, the exact answer, you have to see something wrong maybe with the reading, something wrong with the number. Okay, so you can see from here. Now, one, Jaima wants to do preserve the mangoes. Okay, you want to preserve the mangoes, maybe they are doing pickling. Okay, do pickling with vinegar and sugar. Okay, so she uses 0.5 of liter of vinegar, okay, and 25 gram of sugar to preserve the mangoes. Okay, these mangoes here, the total here is 1,250 gram. These 5 mangoes, after cutting it into small pieces, she used 0.5 liter of vinegar and put in 25 gram of sugar in and do pickling. Now, if one Zaima buys 3 kilo of mangoes, it's not 1,250 gram. Now, she bought extra 3 kilogram of mangoes. Calculate, okay, the volume of vinegar needed, okay, to preserve 3 kg of mangoes. Okay, another time, another, what you call this one? Once again, we are using proportion, okay, method to solve this, okay? That is kadaran, right? Let's say now I put 0.5, okay, liter of vinegar. I can do pickling of how much, how many, what is the mass of the mangoes here I can preserve. That is 1,250 gram of mangoes, okay? Here is vinegar, here is mango, okay? Right, now, they were asking you, if you, how much of vinegar that you need to use, okay, to preserve 3 kg of mango, all right? Now, 3 kilogram equals to, another meaning of saying that, convert it into gram, 3,000 kilogram, 3 kilogram equals to 3,000 gram. If 3,000 gram, okay, how much of vinegar I need to use? Okay, so this time, I cannot simply use, okay, there are how many 1,250 gram in 3,000, cannot. If here is 1,500 gram, easy only. If I times 2, I will get 3,000. But now here, I don't know what should I times. So what should I do? No problem. What you can do is cross multiplication. What do you mean by cross multiplication? Means that I'm going to multiply this, right? 0.5 liter of vinegar with 3,000 gram of mangoes. Then only I divide this 1,250 gram. So I put it here. Maybe this is not enough space here. I put up here, empty space here. I put up, I'm doing the calculation over this side. So what I do is, what I'm trying to do is, okay, I'm trying to do, okay, using this green color, is equals to 0. Okay, sorry, something wrong with the pen again. Okay, so it is 0.5 liter multiplied by 3,000 gram and divide by 1,250 gram. You do the work, you show the working step like that, or you show the arrangement like this. This is 0.5 multiplied by 300, you do like this, okay? And divide, put a line, divide, showing divide 1,250. Why I do that? Because I know I can do cancellation. I can do cancellation so that the number is getting smaller. Okay, so here I can see first, I can cancel 1 0 with 1 0 here. Okay, so it will turn up, become 300 times 0.5. Okay, divide by 1,000. Divide by 125 now. It's not 1,250. You already cut 1 0 with 1 0 here. If you are very good in your, what you call, cancellation, you can do cancellation like this. But I'm teaching a slow method way. If I'm not good in cancellation, what should I do? I will use this 300 multiplied by 0.5 first. I get the answer, only I divide 1,250. So what can I do? Okay, do it here. 300, doing long method. Our teacher is showing you long method. Okay, 300 times 0.5. Okay, times 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 0, 0, 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, another 0 you don't have to do because all will become turn up 0. So the decimal point is here. After decimal point, 1 place value. So after decimal point, 1 place value. So become 150. So this 150, then don't forget, don't leave the answer like that. You 150 need to divide by 1 125. Okay, 125 here. Okay, so what you do, where is the somewhere here? Okay, maybe this way we do here. All right, the calculation, small part, 150 divided by 125. Of course, I know 125 can only times 1. Your balance, your answer is 125. I minus out, become 25 here. Then I add decimal point. I add 0, 1, 0 at the back. I put decimal point here. I make it longer. All right, this 0 I put down. Then I can see, I know already 125, if I times 2 is 250. If you don't believe, you can add on. 125 plus 125, what do I get? 5 plus 5 is 0, is 10. 2 plus 2 plus 1 is 5. 1 plus 1 is 2. So 250, I know 125 times 2, I will get 250, right? So your answer here is how many ml of vinegar? How many liters of vinegar that you need? That is, okay, 1.2 liter. You need 1.2 liter of vinegar. Okay, then only you can do pickling or you can preserve the mango of 3,000 gram, or another way of saying that, 3 kilogram. Okay, right. I think maybe you will get, most of you get wrong this question, because first the number given here already not correct. So maybe you can do the the corrections in your book. Okay, I don't believe that also you can get, unless you are very alert or you are using 0.5 liter of vinegar to find the answer. If not, definitely if you use 0.3 here, you will not get the answer. Okay, next, last question. Okay, not last. There's one more C part. Okay, continue from the question number 5 here. Okay, C, what is C? Continue here. On this diagram, 4.2 here, draw the pointer to show the mass of sugar needed, okay, to preserve the 3 kg of mangoes. Okay, now they want the mass of sugar. Okay, just now you are looking for vinegar. Now you have to find the mass of sugar again. Okay, so what is it actually? If 1,250 gram, you are using 25 gram of sugar. So first of all, a proportion here, what you can do, okay, if just now 1,250 gram of mango, I'm using 25 gram of sugar. This is sugar. All right. Here is mango. Your mangoes. Okay, your mangoes. So now, if you have 3,000 gram of mangoes, how much of sugar you need? How much of sugar you need? So first of all, again, I know already 1,250 cannot multiply any round figure number to get 3,000. So again, we do proportion. What did I teach you just now? Okay, do this cross multiplication and divide this number. Okay, so what I do is, don't do first, okay, don't straight away multiply and divide. You do in a mathematical sentence first. It is 3,000 gram times 250 grams, then divide by 1,250 grams. Okay. Okay, 1 gram and 1 gram, I can cancel. So last, the answer also in gram. So you can see 25 and 1,250. Okay, before that, I can cancel 1 0 of this with 1 0 here. So you can see now 25 and 125, there's a link. If you know the timetable of 25, 25, 50, 75, 100, 150, 25. Okay, and so on, 125, and after that 150. So if you are using the timetable 25, I can cancel this 25 and 125 here. Okay, 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, times 5. You will get 125. After you do the cancellation, okay, left this 300. Okay, no more this 0. Okay, this 0 no more. Okay, 300 times 1 is 300. Then this 300, okay, use the 300 here, divide by 5. Okay, 300 gram. Okay, 300 gram divide by 5. 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 0 is 0. So you need 60 gram. Then after that, not finished yet. They ask you to draw the pointer on the weighing scale. Where is 60 gram? You don't put here. You don't put your pointer here. This is 600, okay? This is 600. How you do where is 60? This is 0. This is 100. This is 500. Means that here, this is the pointer here. Teacher don't have a ruler. But from here, okay, going back to the pointer. Okay, here. Okay, this is 60 gram. The pointer is one, what you call, one more point, one more step after 500 gram. 50 gram, sorry, not 500 gram, it's 50 gram. Okay, 50. This is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then 60. Then you put the pointer here. Okay, so I hope you get this correct. Okay, only we go to question number 6. Wow, question number 6 also already at 42. Okay, we have to hurry up. Maybe we can finish only discuss your activity, your questions in your activity book. All right, look at question number 6 here. Okay, this is always you happen in your daily life. Okay, this is like, for example, Ramesh is traveling. Okay, he traveled from Kota Kinabalu to Sandakan. Okay, how many of you, okay, ever go to Sandakan from Kota Kinabalu by car or by bus or other vehicles? Okay, you know that it's very far. Okay, they were going to pass through Tampaluri, Kundasang, Ranau, and Tulupit. This is all the small station that you are going through. Okay, I mean small town. Okay, then after that, Ramesh drove, okay, for 36 kilometer from Kota Kinabalu to Tampaluri. Okay, means that from Kota Kinabalu to Tampaluri, okay, here is Tampaluri. Okay, you can see the sign of Tampaluri. Okay, Kota Kinabalu is somewhere here. Okay, KK. I put it KK somewhere here. Okay, from KK, his car is actually from here. Okay, going to Tampaluri. Okay, he drove. Okay, after drove 36 kilometer from KK to Tampaluri, he saw the signboard. This is a signboard. Okay, time to reach here, see the signboard. Means that from KK to Tampaluri, he is already drove 36 kilometer. Okay, from here, can then look up here. Okay, the next station, he will be arriving to the next station, Kundasang, in 60 kilometer. If go further to Ranau, 74 kilometer. If go further again to Lupit, you need 170 kilometer. If you reach Sandakan that time, from Tampaluri, here is Tampaluri, not from KK. KK to Tampaluri already over. Okay, so to Sandakan is still left 299 kilometer. Okay, I hope you understand the situation. Okay, he drove from KK to Tampaluri first. This is already 36 kilometer, not counted here. Okay, only from Tampaluri, assume that he is from Tampaluri, looking at the signboard here. Okay, this is a signboard here showing here. All right. So A, what is the question say? Ramesh stopped for a rest in Ranau. Okay. How far in kilometer did he drive from Tampaluri to arrive at Ranau? If you are now in Tampaluri, you look at here. Go to Ranau. How far it is? Okay. How far he drives from Tampaluri to arrive Ranau?
74 kilometer.
Yes, straight away you can see from here, from Tampaluri. Here is Tampaluri. Go to Ranau, you still need 74 kilometer. So if you just write down here 74 kilometer, then done. You get this 1 mark already, 3 point. Okay, but continuously it will be harder. You have to understand the situation, then only you can do. Right. B, calculate the total distance, okay, in kilogram, traveled by Ramesh from Kota Kinabalu to Sandakan. If you are from Tampaluri to Sandakan, okay, if you are from Tampaluri, go to Sandakan, that is 299 kilometer. But now you need to go from KK. Okay, Ramesh from KK to Sandakan. From KK to Tampaluri is already 36 kilometer. From Tampaluri to Sandakan is 299 kilometer. So how far? Okay, how far that he traveled from KK to Sandakan? How you do this? How are you going to do this? How do I know that from KK? Okay, KK to Tampaluri, I repeat again, 36 kilometer. From Tampaluri to Sandakan is 299. If I want to go from KK to Sandakan, what shall I do?
36 kilometer plus 299 kilometer.
Very good. Okay, so you plus, because this one from KK to Tampaluri is already 36. You have already, he already drove 36 km. Okay, from K, then he stopped here, was looking at the board. Oh, if I'm in Tampaluri, I need to go to Sandakan. I need to travel 299 kilometer again. I already drive 36 kilometer. So I have to plus all together. Before that, before Tampaluri, 36 kilometer plus 299 kilometer. So plus all together in kilometer. Okay, 9 plus 6 is 15. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 3 is 13. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So the total journey, okay, is 335 kilometer far from Kuala Lumpur, from Kota Kinabalu to Sandakan. Okay, this is still quite easy lah to understand. Okay, the last part, right? C. Now look at it properly. Same pictures. I purposely, teacher purposely put the pictures here so that you can see it clearly. Okay, now they're using petrol. Okay, the price of 1 liter of petrol was 2 ringgit and 20 cents. Okay, Ramesh car consumed 1 liter of petrol for traveling every 10 kilometer. Calculate the price of the petrol that Ramesh journey from Tampaluri to Tulupit. Okay, look at here. You are in Tampaluri. Here you are car in Tampaluri. If you want to go to Tulupit, look at Tulupit. How far it is? How far?
170 kilometer.
Yes, you need to travel another 170 kilometer. Okay, so if they say now 1 liter of petrol, this is the keyword here. 1 liter of petrol for traveling 10 kilometer journey. So you can put here proportion, right? Again, where is it? Okay, 1 liter of petrol, I'm using petrol, I can travel 10 kilometer. If now I need to travel from Tampaluri to Tulupit, that is 170 kilometer, I need to use How much of petrol here? How many liters of petrol I need to use? Very easy. You can see from here, 10 times what? You get 17. 700, 1,000, sorry, 170. 10 times
17.
17, very good. So I know I times 17 times 10, I get 170. Same like here. I'm going to do 1 times 17. 1 times 17, I will get 17 liter. So it means that I need to use 17 liter of petrol, okay, to travel from Tampaluri to Lupit. But they don't want to ask. They ask you calculate the price of petrol. You know already the first part here, they are showing here, they're telling you already 1 liter of petrol is cost 2 ringgit and 20 cents. So if you use 17 liter, how much is the price of the petrol that Ramesh need to use? Okay, so what you do is operation. What operation? Hello? What operation you use? Times 2 ringgit 20 cents 1 liter. If I buy 17 liters, if I use 17 liters, so I times 17 here. 700, 74 is 14. 72 is 14. 72 also 14 plus 1 is 15. 100, 12 is 2, and 12 also 2. Plus together 0, 4, 5 plus 2, 7. 2 plus 1 is 3. 1 decimal point, 2 places. So decimal 1, 2. Decimal point is here. So how much that, what is the price of the petrol that you need to use to travel from Tampaluri to Lupit?
37 ringgit 40 cents.
Very good. 37 ringgit 40 cents. You need to use 37 ringgit and 40 cents of petrol. Okay, the price of the petrol here. Okay, that's it for your correction in your activity book. Okay, maybe I give you 1 minute. You calculate how many points you get out of 22 here, and then maybe you can type in the chat group there. Okay, how much of your score? Okay, before we go for hands-on activity. Maybe hands-on activity we'll try out 2 questions or 3 questions enough already. I know you want to dismiss, nanti you tanya cikgu bila kita keluar. Okay, actually we learn more normal because just now we start a bit late. Okay, after giving all the info here and there, we start the lesson late. I think we start around 8:10. Okay, maybe we'll stop at 9:10 lah. All right. Since do you have any Google Meet after this? Your BM, do you have any Google Meet for your BM today?
They have Google Meet itu. For TMK.
Oh, for TMK, but not for
TMK.
BM, right? Not for BM.
No,
I mean,
not
I
for
might
BM.
scared that they have to go into the Google Meet for BM 9 o'clock. If not, maybe we can get extra 10 minutes from there because just now we start 10 minutes late a bit.
Yes.
Okay. Right. So maybe you can type there. How many points that you get already? Anyone? Let's look at it. Oh, 32. Evan, 32. How about the rest? Oh, Evan, get all 32. Wow, 32 out of 22 out of 22. Very good, huh? Very good. Eva, 20. Very good. Noratika, 22 out of 22. Wow. Everybody is very alert, huh? The 0.3 is not 0.3 but 0.5. Not bad, huh? Teacher Yong? Pandai dia orang.
Hebat.
Hebat
Saya
kan?
sayang kamu.
Betul kah ini ataupun buyuk saja ni?
Jangan buyuk ba. Cikgu sayang kamu.
Yeah. Okay. So you keep on try to keep on typing your marks there. Maybe teacher will proceed this hands-on activity for a while. Yang lain tu belum terkira lagi, tolong kira dan tuliskan di ruangan chat your point. How many marks you get out of 22? Right, very good. Okay, we continue with this hands-on activity here. Hands-on activity, I found out that the first few questions is quite easy compared to your activity book, because this one is not only asking the questions that what you have learned in primary 6. It also combined. This is the UPSR question. It is combined from what you have learned since you are year 1 until you are primary 6. Okay, overall. So some questions, they are quite easy, and some questions, of course, they involve the skills that you have learned in primary 6. Okay, we go on. Question number 1 here. Look at here. Okay, step. Question number 1. This is a ruler. Okay, this is a wire on top of the ruler here. State the length. Okay, now I want it in mm. This one, you have to bear in mind, this ruler is in cm. So I want the ruler in mm. What is the length of the wire? On the spot, everybody, if you can see this one, just tell me what is your answer. Hello? Anyone want to try this?
4.5. 4.5.
Cikgu Yong yang jawab. Mana yang
Alah,
lain?
45.
Mana yang lain? If you can see from here, the wire, as you saw, if you see already, just like just now that pencil, the wire is not start from 0 point. Okay, it start from 1. So what you need to do is, this is, you know already, this is 5.5 here, right? So 5.5, that is not the actual answer. You have to minus this 1, okay? 5.5 cm, I minus 1 cm, okay? 1 cm is 1.0 lah, right? So your answer is 4.5 cm, but still, you cannot leave your answer in cm, because they want the answer in mm. Anyone can tell me? I don't want teacher Yong.
Sekejap.
I don't want teacher Yong.
45 millimeters.
Yes, this is 45 millimeters. Okay, this is 45 millimeters. Very easy only. Okay. B. Sarah cuts the wire into 2 parts. Okay, this wire cut into 2 parts. The length of the first part is 1.7 cm. Cut into 2 parts doesn't mean that it has to be equal. Maybe I cut here. So here, this part will be shorter than the other part. So the first part here is 1.7 cm. What is the length of in cm? Now this one in cm again. Okay. The second part of the wire. I want to know the second part of the wire.
2.8 centimeter
How do you do it?
minus
Okay, tell me what is the number that you use to minus? You tell me.
4.5 centimeter minus 1.7 centimeter.
The original length of the wire. I minus the first part, 1.7 cm. Okay, so cm is still cm. 5 cannot minus. I regroup here. 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. 3 minus 1 is 2. Yes, you are right. Okay, this is 2.8 cm. All right, we start. Second question here. Right, look at this question. This diagram shows the volume of water in 2 containers here. This is volume of water in P, volume of water in Q. All right, A, state the volume of water in P, container P, in a mixed number of a liter. You see here, this is a decimal number in liter. They want you to write your answer in mixed number. Means that change is 1.25 liter into mixed number. Anyone can tell me what is your answer? Mixed number means that there's one number, whole number, and the other side is a fraction. That is what you call mixed number. I repeat again. You have a mixed number means that on your left hand side, there will be a fraction, a whole number. On your right hand side, there will be a fraction. Anyone can try out? Hello?
Is it 1/4?
Okay, your answer is 1/4. Let us see whether it's correct or not. Huh? This is, you can see if decimal point, there is 2 places here. I know this is 1, 25 over 100. After decimal point, 2 decimal places here means that over 100 liter. But of course, you don't leave it because this is not in the simplest form. Okay, 25 and 100 you can cancel with the timetable. 25 times 1 is 25. 25 times 4 is 100. So your answer will be 1/4 liter. Yes, you are correct. How about B? Now, what is the volume in ml? Okay, first of all, you need to circle this. What they want the unit. Okay, in ml. The water to be poured from P to container Q so that both the containers have an equal volume of water. You can see from here, the water in container P is more than Q. Okay, how much water that extra from here you need to pour into Q so that both of the containers have the same volume of water. Okay, there are 2 ways actually. All right, maybe first way I teach you like this. Okay, I don't know how much water I need to pour in here, but I definitely do like this. First method I can use is I combine these the volume of these 2 containers, I combine together. The volume of water in these 2 containers, I combine together. When I combine together means that I plus together. After that, when I plus already, I divide into half. So that equal, right? So equal. If I divide into half, right, I know already how much water that in each container, there will be the same. Then after that, if I know already the amount of water that need to be put into the Q, but if Q originally have 480 ml, so how much water I need to add in? So you can minus. That is the first method that I can use. Okay, first of all, what should I do? I plus this amount of water with this amount of water together first. Okay, this is in liter. I change into ml. It will be 1,250 ml plus 480 ml. I plus then I put in, let's say I put in another jug lah. Okay, another big basin or another big jug. I pour in all the water, the 2 containers water, I pour in together, combine them. All together, it will be, this is 13, this is 7, altogether 1,730 ml. So if this water, if I want to, because pour equally, if I pour equal volume of water here, means that you are going to have 2 containers, P and Q, have the same amount of water in. All right, so what should I do? So I'm going to use 1,730 ml divide by 2. 2 times 8, 16, right? So minus out, you have 13. 2 times 6 is 12. Minus out is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So each container now is 865 ml. Here also 865 ml. So originally in Q, there's only 480 ml. Now after pouring some water from container P pour in here, it will turn up 865 ml. So how much water that from P pour into Q. What should I do? What should I do? Class? What should I do? Now the water is 865 ml. Before that is 480 ml. Before that is 480. Now it's already 865. How much water that increase? How to find the increase of water?
Minus.
Minus. Very good. So use 865 ml minus 480. The rest of you, please respond. Please look at them. Your screen. 5 minus 0 is 5. 6 minus 8 is not enough. I regroup here, becomes 7. 16 minus 8 is 8. 7 minus 4 is 3. So means that from P, container P, you are going to pour in extra 385 ml of water to make up 865 ml. Okay? That's it for question number 2. Okay, maybe we can try out another question before we dismiss. Okay? Let's look at it. Right. Here. This is a pineapple with a papaya. Okay? State the total mass in gram of the papaya and pineapple. Look at here. This weighing scale in kilogram. You look at here, this is 2, this is 3. In the middle here, what is the weighing scale showing here? What is the mass of the papaya and the pineapple? Middle. 2 to 3. What is in the middle?
50.
50? I mean in kilogram. 2 and 3. What is in between 2 and 3 in the middle here? 2 kg and 3 kg in the middle become how many kg here? Hello, don't know how to read the weighing scale? Excuse me, how you read in the weighing scale here? Here is 2, here is 3. Tengah-tengah sini. And why nobody respond? If you don't respond, I will keep on doing question number 4 and number 5 so that you cannot off from the Google Meet. I will add on the questions. If you respond here, maybe we'll stop question number 3. But if you don't respond,
hello, here
Say it says 2,500 gram.
okay, right, thank you. This is 2,500 gram. Or you can say, tell me, this is 2.5 kg also can, no problem. Okay, so 2.5 kg, you convert into gram, it will be 2,000, okay, it will be 2,500 gram. Very simple only, not 50, but it's 500, okay, because 1 kilogram is 1,000. Okay, B, look at here. Given the mass of the papaya, this papaya here is 1.1 kg. Okay, I put here, I write down here, the weight of the papaya is 1.1 kg. Right? Calculate the difference masses in kilogram between the papaya and the pineapple. First of all, I know already the papaya is 1.1 kg. So what is the mass of this pineapple? This pineapple, so I'll get the total mass. This is 2.5. Now I use 2.5 kg because they want the answer in kilogram. So 2.5 kg, I will minus out, okay, the papaya. The papaya weight is 1.1 kg. So what is the weight of this, what is the mass of this pineapple? Pineapple?
1.4 kg.
1.4 kg. Is it the answer? Is it the answer?
No.
No. Why? Because you know already, okay, this pineapple is 1.4 kg and the papaya is 1.1 kg. question asking you, calculate the difference between the mass of the papaya and the pineapple. So what step you're going to do again?
Minus.
Minus, okay? The heaviest fruit minus the lightest fruit, okay? Heaviest is the pineapple. The pineapple is 1.4 and the papaya is 1.1. So to find the difference, so you minus, because I want the answer in kilogram. So I just leave the answer in kilogram. Pardon?
0.3 kg.
0.3 kg. All right. Now, since you all respond already, okay lah, no problem. There's actually, I prepared another 3 more questions. Question number 4, number 5, and number 6 again. But since somebody respond already, maybe we stop here. I know maybe your head, your kepala sakit sudah, your mind maybe need to rest for a while. So we will skip this one, hands-on activity, question number 4, 5, and 6, okay? As long as we have discussed already your paper 2, and then do a few questions on hands-on activity. Right, so your homework. Okay, what is your homework here? Right, homework here, please do your paper 1, okay, regarding to the topic of space, okay, from page 24 to 27. Okay, page 24 to 27, objective question. Okay, please do this one, complete this one before Friday. Okay, don't say, oh, now today is only Monday. Friday still got long time to go. I can rehat dulu. No, if possible, after this, you straight away do it. Okay, don't waste your time, okay, to postpone all your homework. Even though, do not postpone, especially your assessment. Without your teacher, if cannot get, if you don't, okay, do your assessment in the Google form, teacher will only can give you the minimum TP. Okay, that is the minimum TP. It is actually not fair. But who asked you not to do the work? All right, so you have to complete your assessment. You can do, if you forgot already what is about what we have learned in this topic space, you can go through this do revision first. Maybe you plan out, okay, today teacher, I'm not going to do the question first. I'm going to do some revision from my textbook. That is from page 133 to 148. You can go through this. Okay, only tomorrow I start to do my work. Okay, up to you. But please do it before this coming Friday. That is 29. All right, any question?
No.
No.
Okay, if no question, I'll pass back this. Okay, Young, maybe we can stop the recording. Okay, right? So recording button is still on, right? Maybe teacher Young is not around. Maybe teacher Young got something else, okay? So if you have no problem, anything you want to ask first before we dismiss?